Hey everyone, hi, this is Riya. Welcome back to Kamali Academy YouTube channel. Today I will let you know the baby care tips for new mom. So do not skip the video, watch till end. Being a first time mom has its own set of challenges as you get introduced to a lot of new things, ranging from breastfeeding to soothing a crying baby. Tips to help first time moms. Being a mom is not an easy task. As a new mom, you will experience many challenges and you will be tired. But here are some baby tips for new mom to make your journey easier. First, prepare checklist. Make a checklist of all items that you will require for a baby care and nursing. Ensure you stock enough before your baby arrives home. Do include things that will be essential for you while nursing your baby, like nursing pillows, nursing bras, and etc. Get breastfeeding right. In the first month of birth, make sure you breastfeed your baby. Breast milk is nutritious and will help in boosting the immune system of your body. Feed your baby at regular intervals, at least 8 to 12 times in a day. Do not bottle feed your baby before 3 months. Handle your baby with care. A newborn baby body is delicate and needs to be handled with utmost care. When you hold your baby in your arms, hold and support the head first with one hand and rest in the curve of your elbow. And use your other arms to scoop up his bottom. And the main thing, just trim your nails regularly. Bond with your baby. Try to bond with your baby in the first few days, as it is believed that initial bonding is everlasting. There are 3 ways to bond with your baby: skin to skin contact, eye contact, and responding to a baby needs. Soothe your crying baby. Crying is the only way of communicating for newborns, be it for when they are hungry or they are facing any discomfort. Able to understand what your baby is trying to convey. A baby may cry because he or she is hungry, has soiled her or his diaper, may be feeling hot or cold, or want to suck on something, or maybe they just want to cry. Go for comfortable clothes. When selecting clothes for your baby, ensure that they are soft, stretchable, and easy to wear. Stock some extra regular wear and get some plus size clothes, as your baby will grow faster than you may even realize. Remember, guys, planning a schedule is important. It will help you and the baby. There are numerous things that you need to take care of when you bring your newborn baby home. No matter it's your first time, it's an experience of lifetime that you will remember and cherish always. Well, if you're looking out for babysitter, you can directly contact to Kambali Bais. Kambali Bais will provide you someone who will be very much experienced and genuine, as well as hygiene. Kambali Bais will provide you with 3 replacement guarantee. So any of your friends, relative, colleagues are looking out for babysitter, you can share this video or you can share this contact number. I will see you soon with another video with another information. Till then, take care. And yes, if you are new on this channel, kindly do subscribe. Bye-bye.